Hi friends, this video shows how to create mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi hotspot. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, then select connections. So here we can see mobile hotspot and tethering. Select it, tap on this, tap on mobile hotspot. Here we can see on off button. Tap here and turn on mobile hotspot. So now mobile hotspot is on. So next I am going to configure it. Tap on this configure. First I am going to set a name for the network. We can set any name. So let me give Galaxy 2, then the password. We can set the password here. So let me set the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. Then the band, we can select 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. So let me select 2.4. Then security, we can select WPA2 personal. Then tap on save. Done. So now mobile hotspot is ready. So let me take another mobile phone and connect to this mobile hotspot. So I am going to connect this mobile phone to mobile hotspot which I created. Tap on Wi-Fi. So in this mobile I am going to turn on Wi-Fi. Now it's searching for available network. So please wait. So in this list we would be able to see the hotspot name. See Galaxy 2. Tap on that. Then enter the password here. Then tap on connect. See, connected. So now here we can see connected device. So this way we can create mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi hotspot and share the internet. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you want to turn off this hotspot, we can turn off here. Tap here and turn off the hotspot. Okay.